What's up, ladies and gents, boys and girls of the world? Today we're in Barcelona, Spain, and right now I'm just strolling through the streets, sipping on a San Miguel. It's a famous beer here in Barcelona, or Spain to be exact. I'll catch you guys throughout the day. Peace.
Out by 16, we're definitely seen together forever. All I gotta do is make my man know. I don't wanna wait till it's over. When she call my phone, she said, where you wanna go home? Tell me, baby, what is up? Baby, where you call off when you walk? You know it's on, you know it's on. Now she wanna give me chances. Sorry that I had to pass you, but you know it's trying to be a call. Better when I'm coming through, pull up on you with no new. I don't know anything that's new. Fucking your bitch, that shit so good. Fucking your bitch, I know you knew. Every time I come, she calling you. Every time I call, she coming through. I don't know your bitch, but I know she down. Every time I come, it's solo down. I'm coming with your bitch, show down.
So that's it from me here in Barcelona, Spain. It's been a beautiful day. Signing off with my San Miguel. Bottoms up. Cheers.
This is down. I'm calling you. Every time I go, I'm calling you. I send it every morning. When she's cooking the morning down. Got the city out for you. Shit don't spill. You tryna go and tryna